Okay. So the basic idea here is this workshop will kind of summer workshop, or I can say that it's a kind of virtual workshop. So once we get into the college, like maybe we may convert this into offline also. Okay, but as of now, we can go with online. So this workshop mainly talks about we are taking this workshop 2 to 3 weeks of time. Okay, so within this workshop, the basic fundamental idea we are going to be covering is fundamentals of web development. Means what it will cover means first we need to understand what is the web application and how it is interactive with the server. So that is we called end-to-end flow of the application. So for example, when you're taking any application, if it is Google or if it is online website or Insta or anything, any website, if you look at online, let's take example, I'm sharing my screen. Okay, so consider our Fratello website only. Okay, let's consider. So let's consider our website only. Okay, so here there is some web pages we have, like if you see that about services and internship, assume that there is an option called. So in this, if user entered some data, so if user selected some topic and if you enter the data and you click on enroll here, so automatically the data will store in the database, and that data we can able to fetch in our administration side. Okay. Now how this communication happening, or how this web page we designing, and what is the communication channel, or what is the protocol which is used internally to communicate back end to front end, and what are the different areas we will work on in the real-time project. So that all introduction first will cover a couple of classes, means the terminology or the concepts which are involved in the web application development or web application hosting. Okay, these are the first thing we'll cover as part of this workshop. And after that, we'll also cover one topic like HTML5 concepts. So where we will cover like new attributes and even HTML forms, how to create these forms, and how to create these structures, and how to define this form, like kind of these forms. And also, if possible, we'll also show you how to define this kind of card structure. So these kind of skeleton, I mean that web page designing part will explain, and finally we'll also show you some kind of validation. Let's take example, there is a contact page here. Okay, so let's consider here, see some icons are there, and here let's talk is there. When I click on contact request code, so it's showing some validations. So please fill out this field. So such kind, how to perform such kind of validations. Okay, so these all the stuff will be covered as part of this particular workshop. Okay, so main idea of this workshop is to introduce to you people how web application development is going on, and what are the different components will be involved as part of this application development, and what are the different areas you may touch, like what are the different tools we may use in real time. So these all things will be covered in the workshop, so that in next year, means you all people are going to be completing first year, right? So next you may move to the second year. So in second year you may require to do the internship, you may require to do the major and minor project, right? So for that it will be helpful for the foundational work. So and after that, in this session, end of the session, we may cover also like what are the different options we have in the market to develop this application development. So as I hope you majority of people know that, like we have options like Python, develop using Python, using the Java, using PHP, using .NET. Likewise, we have different options to develop the application. So we'll give a brief intro about that also, so that you may people can choose that right technology and right path for your next upcoming. And also, please focus on one area, like don't take two things at a time, like Java and Python together, or Python and .NET. It's not the right approach. So choose one area and fully focus complete second year on the same technology and same technical aspects. Like for example, if you take Python and spend time with the frameworks like Django and Rust framework, and spend some time with machine learning concepts, like that, only Python basic concept. Or if you choose the Java, spend the core Java, advanced Java, Spring Boot, Hibernate, and such. Likewise, if you spend a complete stack throughout the 1 year, within that MCA itself, or once you complete immediately, you will get a good opportunity to work in the respective domains. Instead of learning basics only with multiple technologies, choose one technology with strong learn and practice strongly with that technology. It might help you to your resume also. So that is how this workshop will help you. This all together, this workshop will give you a kind of foundational knowledge for your next year work or project work. Okay. And here majorly we'll first few days we will cover the the fundamental concepts in the web development, and next week we'll cover the HTML5 that is mostly be used, and the last week we cover this kind of technical evaluations on the tools and technologies, I can say that. So what are the different tools and technologies available in the market to develop the end-to-end application? So that will give you an idea for you people. And after that will also give you a what we can say that a digital resume buildup. Okay, so how to create without having much code. So simply whatever you learned within these days with this knowledge, how to build a digital resume or digital website or business website. So simple, I can say that. For example, your near and there are your brother, colleagues, or your friends maintaining one business, a small business. Maybe it might be bakery, or it might be a stationery shop, or it may be a gift shop, or it might be anything. Okay, so for them, or any consultancy or any institute they're maintaining. So for them, you want to build a simple website. Example, this case only. In our case, we are FratelloInnoTech. We are maintaining a simple website to showcase our services and our ourselves, about ourselves, and to someone if contact want to contact to us, so they can use this kind of simple website. How to build without more code, very simple basic code. I can say that hardly 1 or 2 days if you spend, you can able to build this kind of websites, or even digital resume also. So these kind of websites how to build by using simply HTML5. So that also will show you end of this workshop. So this is the basic idea and planning of this workshop. So first one, fundamentals; second one, HTML5, and hands-on experience on the same HTML5 to build a website. So this is the plan of the complete workshop. Okay, and it mostly we are planning for 3 weeks. So complete virtual. So daily we will take 1 hour of class, and after that you can do the practice. And if you have any questions, we have anyway WhatsApp group, right? You can ping your doubts in that group. We will always help you to resolve the issues, and will connect with you to clarify the doubts. And also in the class also daily I will spend 5 to 10 minutes for question and answer. So whatever the doubts you have, you can ask me freely, and it's not like just listening. I would encourage always interactive session. So be talkative and ask whatever you have, the doubts or questions you have. Okay, so this is all about the planning of this particular workshop. So as we know, this is Satish, like from FratelloInnoTech. So previously also we came to college and we even taken some foundations on Java, right? So to the continuation, we are even continue this particular workshop to give a confidence to do the internship or major project in the next year. Okay, so yeah, so by this I'm just giving a break, and please feel free to ask any questions if you have. And after that we'll decide like our what is the best time to continue. Like we are thinking to conduct the morning session, because you may people have the fresh mind, and you can practice the remaining day. But based on your more majority people will see the what is the time slot, but daily will take the 1 hour. Okay, yeah. So before going to that, like any questions or any queries do you have with respect to this workshop, or with respect to this hours, or like about frat, or any details if you want, you can ask me. And again, I told you it's a free workshop, nothing to pay for this workshop. And also inform to your friends to join the class regularly. And end of this workshop, you will get the digital certificate, participation certificate also as part of this workshop. So it might also help you for in your resume also. So any questions or any doubts you can ask me so that I will clarify the doubts. Maybe anybody can speak up like how they are first year, and I think you are in all this, right? Can anyone confirm you are in all this, right? Summer vacation, huh?
అవునవును సార్.
Yeah, okay. So how the things going on, like is the first year completed, right? Like how the semi exams completed, right? How did you return? Our results came or not yet came, the results second one two?
ఫస్ట్ సెమ్ రిజల్ట్స్ ఏం సార్?
Okay, second sem.
ఇంకా ఇంకా రాలేదు సార్.
Okay, okay,
కంప్లీటెడ్.
okay. So how is the like technologies so far, like in your class, how you?
యా గోయింగ్ వెల్ సార్.
But definitely it will help you to understand the next year plannings. Okay, so don't miss the class and even inform to your all friends. So it is the first class. I can understand very few people join, but inform to other people to join regularly, so that definitely we get a good concept. And as I mentioned, right, plan now itself, definitely will get a good job after MC. Otherwise it's very difficult to get in the right recent days, and even it's very difficult to get into this much of crowd. Okay, so if you until unless you have a right skill and a strong knowledge, so please prepare well for that. Okay? So any more questions if you have, please ask me. Otherwise we can sign up for today, and I will ping the regular timings and the link for daily classes today or tomorrow morning, so accordingly we can join. The timing will be informed today. The link also mostly I will share today itself, so tomorrow onwards same link you can join for the upcoming 2 weeks of, I mean, the 15 days of classes. Okay.
ఓకే సార్, థ్యాంక్ యూ.
Okay, thank you. Bye bye, take care.